requested video, and I'm just gonna make this video to get us out the way, and hopefully I expect to see changes from this video because, child, I'm gonna be talking about the products that I use in my weave to get them popping and flowy and silky and no stiffy. What? I just sounded like Nicki Minaj. So enough of me chit chatting. Let me just show y'all what I use and how I use it and what it's good for. Right. But most of the products I do have, y'all can get from either y'all beauty supply store or Walmart or something like that. But first I got a frontal in. So if you don't have a frontal and you have a closure, you can skip past this part. But to lay my frontals down, I use the Ghost Bond. Can y'all see that? Hold up. I use the Ghost Bond. It comes like this, and this stuff is really bomb. It do lay my what's this? Frontal down. I'm having a long day, guys. Work with me. Work with me. I use it to lay my frontal down, and as y'all can see, this bitch is laid, and if I pull on it, oh my god, on my life, my whole face gonna fall off. So I use the Ghost Bond to lay down my frontal. So this stuff is bomb. I'm gonna start off with products that I use to wash my weave, and then I'm gonna work my way up to the final results. I use some cheap ass conditioner and shampoo, and it still get the job done. And the one that I'm using now is the Slickens Silk Essence. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. The Silkens Salon Series New Advanced Pro Formula, and this is the hydrating shampoo with Pro Vitamin B5 and avocado oil, and I got the conditioner to go with it, and this is the damage repair conditioner with soy protein and essential amino acid, and they look like this. And I got these from the dollar store, and I paid $1 $1 for the shampoo and $1 for the conditioner, and I don't see nothing wrong. It smells good, so I'm not investing all my money into no expensive shampoo. You don't need to invest your money into expensive shampoo to have your weave, you know, looking popping. So after I wash my weave and whatnot, and it's time for me to style it, usually what I do is I let it air dry to like 80%. When it's 80% dry, I go in with my blow dryer. I don't ever wear my hair curly, so usually when I wash my hair, I usually blow dry it straight so that way I can straighten it. Then when I'm done blow drying, I'll go in with my argan oil leave-in hair treatment, and this is the freaking key. This is the key. And hold on, let me show you guys. This is the key, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And this is how I get my hair to look like this, y'all. I lied to y'all not. This right here. So what you do is you want to take a little dot, like literally a little dot, like this much. This is how much I'll take, and you want to rub it in, and you just want to distribute it through the hair. I mostly like to focus it on the ends, because that's usually where it's dry, on the ends. So you rub it in, focus it on the end. I'm sorry, my camera had cut off, but as I was saying, you want to take the oil and focus it more on the ends, and you want to just like rub it throughout the hair. And what it does is it adds shines, it adds moisture back into the hair when I'm about to straighten my hair. So what I do is, when I'm straightening my weave, I section it off into layers. So I do like track by track going up, and each track, section of the track that I do, I like to apply this, and this is the Ion Smooth Solution, and I just take a squirt of this same size. Not, you don't need a lot of this. Take it, spray it in my hand, rub it in, and then I'll put it on the track, and then I'll go in with my flat irons and I straighten it. And what this do is this act as a heat protectant. This is specifically just for moisture, and this is more for like a heat protectant, because this is more like a water-based serum, and this is like an oil. So this acts more of a heat protectant than the argan oil. So once I put this in my hair and I straighten it, this is literally the results that it come out. It comes out nice and silky and bouncy and flowy and everything under that category. So these two is like the staple. Okay, so those are the products that I like to use in my weaves to get through. Yeah, then when I'm finished, you see like the little flyaways that I have right now, I like to go in with this Luster Nutrition Slick Stick. And I use this on my natural hair and weaves, and this just controls the flyaways that I have at the top. So you can put it directly on your weave, but I don't do that because I don't like that oily, way down grease look that be at the top. So I put it in my hands and I rub it, and then I just go over it. And that's really all the products I use in my hair. Like I said, I don't use nothing too expensive or out of the ordinary on weaves. I'll upload a video of me actually doing my hair, like me washing it, blow drying and straightening it, so you guys can see how exactly I use each product instead of just explaining it to y'all. Yeah, so stay tuned for that video, but thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I could find a link to the products, I'll definitely leave them in the description box down below, so you guys could probably check them out, order it and whatnot. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video, share and subscribe.